As a mechanical engineer, I'm no stranger to the sounds of machinery. My name is Ethan Turner, and I've spent 20 years designing, analyzing, and overseeing machines. In my world, precision is paramount, whether it's a fraction of an inch on a blueprint or the faintest sound indicating a machine's health. But lately, that sound has become more of a distant murmur. At first, the subtle indicators from the equipment were missing. Then it progressed to frequently asking colleagues to repeat themselves during meetings. The world around me felt muffled, like I was constantly underwater. It didn't just affect my work, it seeped into my personal life. I assumed it was just age catching up, but a colleague suggested it could be something as simple as earwax buildup. Skeptical, but desperate, I sought professional help and was referred to the Hearing Excellence Clinic. Upon entering the clinic, I was greeted with genuine concern. The audiologist took the time to understand my job and lifestyle before examining my ears. Her diagnosis confirmed my colleague's suspicion: a significant wax blockage. The process of removing the wax was simple but transformative. The audiologist explained each step and made sure I was comfortable throughout. As the procedure progressed, it felt like layers of muffled sound were being peeled away, and the immediate clarity after the procedure was nothing short of miraculous. When I left the clinic, the world seemed brighter, louder, and more vibrant. The real test came the next day in my workshop. The machines spoke to me again, their intricate sounds telling of their health and efficiency. As I shared my experience with colleagues, I realized that something as seemingly insignificant as earwax had taken me out of the world of sound. It wasn't just about clearer hearing. It was about reconnecting with my passion and the people around me. The Hearing Excellence Clinic did more than remove the wax. It restored a piece of my identity.